to my channel. So today I thought I would do kind of just a casual sit down video with you guys and give you a little hair tutorial. This is actually something that I get a lot of questions on, is how I do my go-to messy bun. Obviously I have long hair, but I've been doing this messy bun since I had, just below shoulder length hair. It works great for long hair, short hair, so it's really good. It's really versatile, and it's super easy, and it's one of those messy bun styles that it's kind of foolproof, just because there is actually steps that you follow to get it the way you want it to look. You can obviously, adjust it a little bit, but it's pretty much some, step 1, 2, 3, so it'll look pretty similar every time you do it. So it's great. It's not gonna be one of those messy buns where people can make it look great and then you do it and it looks terrible. So if that's what you guys want to see, stay tuned and we will get started. Okay, so as you can see, I am going to start with my hair just straight. You don't have to start with it straight. You can, if you have wavy hair, I use it when my hair is still wavy. Oh, hi. Macy's going to join us today, I guess. Okay, go lay down. Can you go lay down? Thank you. So, like I was saying, you can have wavy hair, you can have straight hair. This is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, go lay down. Go lay down. So as you... Okay, come on. You're gonna go out here. So as you guys can see, I'm starting with straight hair. This is second day hair. I woke up this morning, put some dry shampoo in it, ran a flat iron through it just to get me to this point. I think it works best for my hair, just because I do have really long hair. If it is straight, I also will do it when it's still wavy, when I just don't have, can't be bothered to straighten it. But like I said, it's really versatile, so it's not, it won't turn out if it's not straight. I just like it best when it's, has a flat iron ran through it. So I just start with it like this, and then I have ponytail on my wrist. So I will take it and gather it up in a high pony, kind of right on the top back side of my head. Just kind of like that. And I do like it to be a little bit messy. I'm looking in a mirror on the side here, so in case you're wondering. So I like to have it a little bit messy, so I don't like it super slicked back. And then at the end we'll go through and kind of, pull it a little bit so it looks a little bit messier. But so just kind of like this, and hold it in one hand. So then I'm gonna take it, and one key thing here is to hold your ponytail in the hand that does not have your ponytail on it. You'll see why in a second, but you'll want the ponytail on the opposite hand that is holding your hair. So then I'm gonna flip my hair kind of all over my hand, almost like you're creating a sock bun. I don't know if you can see that. So it's kind of all sprawled out across your hair, or your hand, excuse me. And then I'm gonna take my left hand and with my ponytail on it and kind of grab around the hair so that it kind of makes, almost like that sock bun look. That ballerina bun makes a little hair donut. So then I'm gonna take my ponytail and wrap it around however many times you need. Depends on the ponytail, obviously. This one I wrapped around 3 times, and then I'm just gonna kind of mess it up a little bit, pull it out, but not too much. So then, this is it, guys. Just kidding, that wasn't funny. So then I'm gonna take all these, you have all these long pieces or short pieces depending on the length of your hair. So then I'm gonna take a little, 2-inch section and grab it, and I'm gonna wrap it back and tuck it back into that ponytail. And then kind of fan it out a little bit. So see how it made that little, there's some hair sticking out, but it makes that little curve right there. And then I'm gonna take all the rest of these pieces and just do the same thing. just tuck them in different places within the ponytail. Oops. And you can see I kind of get these little spiky pieces that are hanging out. That's okay, it just kind of adds to that messy look. So I'm gonna keep doing that all the way around. And it's okay if there's pieces, you know, if there's like spots that aren't covered with hair, if that makes sense, if the, you know, the ponytail isn't all the way covered. I mostly focus on the front just because that's more what people see. I'll tuck here. You'll get a couple pieces you might have to retuck. Make sure you're getting all those ends tucked in at some place in that ponytail. Okay, so then it'll look kind of like this. So it looks a little crazy right now, but that's where you're going to come in and just, you know, pull it out, kind of adjust your pieces here. And then once you're done here, I like to pull some pieces down by my face. I just think it looks a little bit more relaxed and casual, and then it frames your face a little bit. This is also where straightening your hair beforehand comes in handy. I mean, obviously you can go through and straighten these pieces after the fact when you're done. But then I just pull those pieces around my face. And then I'm going to take my fingers and go through and just pull my hair forward to really give that loose, messy look. And kind of pull the hair out. I think this is what really makes the bun look its best, is when you're pulling out this hair. Make it look a little messy, pull it out in the back. Gives you a lot of that volume. And it's okay if it's not perfect. You can clearly see mine is kind of all over the place here. But it just adds that relaxed look if that's, you know, what you're going for. Obviously if you want more of a, you know, put together look, you don't have to pull it out so much. But so here's where you just go through and then kind of, you know, mess around with it. You know, adjust some pieces. You can, if you have, you know, pieces that aren't quite going in the way you want, you can throw a bobby pin in. I'm trying to make sure I can get all my hair in the view here. But yeah, I mean, so that's really it. I mean, that is all it is. It's super simple, super fast. I mean, I can do this in like 2 minutes, you know, start to finish when I am just getting ready for work and I want something quick and easy. You know, and then if I don't straighten my hair, you know, all of my hair when it's down, I will just go through and straighten these pieces quick, out the door, good to go. So this is super easy, super fast, and it works for long hair, works for shorter hair. Obviously if you have shorter hair, you're not gonna have a giant bun on your head like I do right now. But it's super fun, super easy, and I get so many questions about it, so I figured I would do a video in case people were wondering. But yeah, so if you guys do try this, please let me know. Comment on this or tag me in a picture or, you know, on Instagram, whatever. Let me know if you tried it and it worked for you, and let me know if you like it, and I would love to see you guys try it out yourselves. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Let me know if you guys have any video requests down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. For those of you that are wondering, my sweatshirt is actually from a YouTuber's merch line. For those of you that don't know, Mallory Urban, she is a YouTuber out of Nashville. She is the best. I absolutely love her channel, and she just came out with her first launch of merch from her line called Live Fully. So that's what the shirt says, obviously. It's a crew neck sweater. This was for a her first launch, and she did like a pre-order, so they are not selling these to my knowledge again, at least right now. But that's where this is from, so if you aren't already following her, you really should be. I'm sure a lot of you guys are already following her, but she's great. She has super positive content. She's always, you know, so positive, and her channel is just Mallory Urban here on YouTube. You know, she does stuff with her husband and her baby, and It's just super great. So anyway, but go follow her channel, you know, because I'm sure she'll be doing more merch launches in the future. It would be great if she would launch more of these sweatshirts because I would order another one. Super comfortable, just super great everyday kind of sweater. But for those of you wondering, that's where it's from. So unfortunately, they are not on sale right now. But if they do happen to come, you know, up for sale again in the future, I will tag it down below. Don't you love this? She's needy, very needy. Are you barking at the neighbors? Hey, no. This video is gonna be pure bloopers. Oh, there you go. Good job. Okay. Oh, thank you. Okay. Can I record my video now?